guys, dito sa airport pala. So now we're on for departure. Don't forget, when you're purchasing all the other items sa city, dapat meron kayo nung
tax refund.
Tax refund. Sasabihin niyo po yun. Kasi there are some stores na meron silang limit, minimum pala na purchase. Tapos pwede kayo mag-refund ng tax sa airport. So we'll show you kung saan nyo pwedeng i-refund. Pangkain din nyo sa airside. We'll show you guys. Ito yung mga signs. We'll follow.
So yun guys, after ng counters yung tax refund. So we'll see kung ano ba to, kung lahat ba ng tax refund dito or kung yung merong limit na, kasi parang meron ata yung 20,000, pero we'll see. So prepare nyo yung passport and yung mga tax refund receipts. So mukhang tama ako guys, mukhang sa loob pagka less than 20,000. Tama? Sa loob?
Tama ka, oo. So above 20,000
dyan.
Dito.
Tapos
below,
yung below sa
after immigration.
Okay. Anong counter sa immigration?
Wala sinabi. Sinabi niya after immigration.
So ayun, hanapin na lang natin mamaya after
na
immigration. Sana may time. So let's go. Okay. Guys, so tapos na kami sa immigration. Ito yung sa tax refund after immigration. Parang two locations siya. Pwedeng right, pwedeng left. So pakita natin kung saan siya. So ito. Ayan yung location niya. So, let's go! So, ayan, nakita na namin yung tax refund. Dito siya sa may Delta. So, ayan, punta na si Miggy. Iwan mo na lang sa akin yun. So, ayan, pagka less than 20,000 Thai baht, dito kayo sa after immigration magpapa-tax refund. So, ayan. Thankfully, maaga pa kami. So, may time pa kami magpa-tax refund. Ayan, nakuha na po niya.
Paid cash.
300, may pangkain.
May pangkain kami. Sabi doon, if yung i-refund is more than 30,000, I don't know if sino mag-exceed nun, but just for your information, ita-transfer na lang siya via bank.
Okay.
So, less than that, cash.
Okay.
So, may pangkain kami sa airside. Sayang din to. 300 baht. Let's
go!
Let's see. This video, we wanted to talk about the travel must-haves when you're traveling with a toddler.
Tsaka konting tips.
Konting travel tips. On this video also, we'll show you kung saan namin nagamit yung mga isa-suggest namin sa inyo. Alright guys, para mas madali, parang hinati namin siya into 7 categories. We'll go with number 1, which is documents.
Document bag namin. Yeah. Para nandito lahat yung
aming important documents. Passports, resident
wallet,
cards, company IDs, whatever yung required nyo upon arrival or kailangan nyo ipakita sa immigration. And dito namin siya nilalagay. Ito yung parang talagang life mo. So, ito, ako lang po may dala. Hindi ko po siya pinapawak kahit kanino. Ako lang po.
Next is yung sa electronics. Camera nyo, cellphone, also chargers, tsaka nga pala, yung magdala kayo ng extension.
Extensions, guys. Kasi yung ibang hotels, they only provide 1-2 sockets na per room. And especially if you're traveling again with your cameras and all, of course, in a day, mauubos nyo yung battery. So, of course, yung power banks also.
Ay, power bank.
Power banks. So,
at saka meron pala kaming portable steaming iron. Kasi nalulukot sa bag yung mga damit. So, make sure meron kayong ganito.
So, marami kang kailangang gawin in a short period of time. So, kailangan nyo we suggest na you bring your extension. Or, I think also better if meron kayo mabibili na yung parang small travel adapter na pwede kayo magsaksak ng marami. Yeah. Also, when you're traveling in a certain country, make sure guys, you know what type of sockets they're using. Especially sa Philippines, parang iba siya when we travel to Hong Kong. Luckily here in Qatar and in Hong Kong, same lang yung socket. So, hindi kami bumili na ng travel adapter.
So, mismong lang talaga. Extension lang yung
Oo,
dala namin.
Yung dala namin. So, we'll go on to the next, guys, which will be the toiletries. Oh, sorry. One more thing sa electronics, guys. Especially sa weather ng Hong Kong is quite mainit, no? Especially when in Disneyland and traveling with the toddler, we suggest na you bring your own
Portable fan. Kasi kawawa yung bata.
Yeah, and especially nung nag-travel kami, somehow mainit at somehow hindi. But of course, when you're walking around everywhere, parang kahit na tanghaling tapat, quite medyo mainit pa rin. Para hindi rin pagpawisan yung bata. So, yeah, portable fan.
Tapos next yung toiletries.
Toiletries.
So, sa toiletries namin dito. Tsaka, may isa pang bag nandun na. Wait lang po. Kasi, syempre, dalawang bags. Yung isa for Sky, tapos yung isa sa amin dalawa.
Para sa amin dalawa.
And then, may sinalihan kasi kong group na pagka daw, parang summer, parang ganon. Parang need ng insect repellent sa Hong Kong. So, meron din kami. Bebe, baro po. So, ito yung namin. Insect repellent namin. Para iwas yung mga rashes.
Oo.
Yan lang. So, dito yung mga yung normal na toiletries lang.
Next will be yung parang miscellaneous such as umbrella,
raincoats, in case na umulan.
Just in case umulan.
Para hindi hassle or hindi maantala yung itinerary nyo for that day.
And when you're traveling with a toddler, we suggest have your own, kahit hindi man stroller, but somewhere na is makakaupo and you can easily move around. Kasi yung iba parang nakita ko yung parang may bike lang. Parang bike lang siya literal Oo. Hindi siya literal stroller na mahihiga mo yung bata parang ganun. But it will really help you guys na travel around, walk around. Kasi nga, you will do a lot of walking. So that's why, wear your most comfortable shoes.
Oo nga. Huwag na kayo pumorma. Nakipumorma. Tapos sakit sa paa.
Sasakit yung paa nyo hanggang hita.
Siguro mga 15,000 to 20,000 steps in a day.
In a day.
So make sure check nyo yung weather kung anong pupuntahan nyo. Pero regardless kung anong weather, dala kayong sunscreen para sa protection sa skin natin. Tapos, ano pa ba? Ay, meron pa pala. Din kami, lagi kami nagdadala ng medicines.
Well, again, kasi nga.
So, in case lang, syempre nasa ibang bansa tayo. Syempre, yung alam nating gamot, parang iba yung brand sa kanila. So, make sure, meron tayo. Yung mga lang,
basic lang.
For
paracetamol,
cough and colds, tsaka fever, tsaka diatabs. Yun lang naman.
Para iwas masira yung araw nyo, kakabalik sa toilet. Also pala guys, especially kami dahil we're from the Middle East. So, it's a long flight for us, especially with toddlers. So, we have brought our own parang activity things ni Sky para hindi siya ma-bore dun on board. Kasi nga, hindi namin siya talagang, we're trying to minimize the exposure of sa screen sa kanya. Though may TV naman doon, pero hindi namin siya laging sinasuggest kay Sky. So, luckily, nakikinig naman siya sa amin. Then, that's why we have brought our own parang mga coloring books, parang mga activity books, crayons, yung mga ganon, na something to, para mabisi din siya on board kung pag di siya natutulog. Also,
neck pillow pala. Para in case na, hindi pala in case. Pag matutulog sila. Kasi di ba yung pillow on board is yung maliit lang. At least pagka neck pillow, any side siya gumalaw, may siya pillow.
Snacks. Also ng bata. Kasi nga...
not just one, but 3 types, mga ganon. 3 or more.
Parang may option siya kasi sa nakakaumay din.
Biscuit, cereals, fruits, mga ganun.
And also, we suggest if you're kind of a foodie traveler like us, since we wanted to try as much as we can. Parang maraming types of kakaibang local cuisine dun sa area. We suggest you bring your own Ziploc. Kasi sometimes
para pag sobra.
Di ba? Parang gusto mo lang naman tikman, gusto mo order ka, 2, 3. Though, naubos din naman namin siya, pero we suggest you bring your own Ziploc para kasali hindi maubos. I mean, hindi masayang. Pwede nyo siyang itabi or kung sakali lang kasi yung restaurant they don't provide plastic for takeouts. So, especially mga street foods lang na, kaysa ibalot nyo sa tissue, at least makakain nyo siya after. Safe pa. Ganon.
Ay, saka pala pagka may kayo, traveling with the toddler, dala nyo din siya ng indoor sleepers. Kasi di ba sa hotel, yung adult sleepers lang yung provide nila.
Totoo.
Syempre, yung naglalakad tayo sa labas, so lahat ng germs ay napapasok natin sa loob. So, make sure dapat meron ding indoor sleepers yung baby natin.
And I hope this is helpful videos for all of you guys. If you have another, you can have also suggestion for us, just in case, so we can add it also on our travel on probably the next vacation. So just put it on the comments, guys. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Make sure you subscribe. See you. Thanks.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye.